Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to add your travel itinerary to your home screen on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that you have the shortcuts and the Files app in your phone. Normally all iPhones do already have them downloaded, but if you don't, you can feel free to download it on the App Store. Once you have those apps, you can either go to the Canva website or go to the Canva app. Once you're in Canva, go to the travel itinerary that you just customized and download it on your phone. Make sure that you select PDF standard as your file type. Then you're going to click download, and it should take about a minute or two to completely download on your phone. Once it downloads, it's going to ask you where do you want it saved on your phone, so you're just going to select Save to Files. Then save it to whatever folder you'd like. Now you're going to go to the Shortcuts app. In the app, select the plus sign that's in the corner. Click Add Action. Select Documents. Then scroll all the way down till you find Open File. Then you're going to click on File, and you're going to select your travel itinerary. You then click on Default App and select Files. After this, you're going to click on the arrow that's pointing down, click on Rename, and I'm just going to put the title as Greece Itinerary. You are then going to click on the arrow that's pointing down again and click on Add to Home Screen. So here what I like to do is that I previously took a screenshot of the cover of my itinerary, and I'm using that screenshot as the icon to open up my travel itinerary from my home screen. Just make sure to select the Photos option and click where it says Choose Photo, and then find the screenshot in your photo library. You can then adjust the photo in the frame. Then click Add. Then click Done, and if you go to your home screen, you will see that your itinerary is on there. And that is all for this tutorial. I hope this helps and gives you easy access to your travel itinerary.